If you have an issue on have two different wallpapers on dual monitors and windows, then do not worry, you have come to right place. Before we dive into subscribe this channel for save the costly repairs and defixes in future. 1. Right-click on the desktop. Start by right-clicking on an empty area of your desktop. 2. Select Personalize. From the menu that appears, choose Personalize. This will open the Settings app directly to the Personalization section. 3. Go to Background Settings. In the Personalization settings, make sure you are on the Background tab. 4. Choose your wallpapers. If you have Windows 10 or later, you can select multiple images by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking on the different images you want to use as your wallpapers. 5. Assign wallpapers to monitors. After selecting the images, right-click on one of the selected images and choose which monitor you'd like to set it for. You can select Set for Monitor 1 or Set for Monitor 2 depending on your setup. This method allows you to personalize each of your monitors with a different wallpaper, giving your workspace a unique and customized look.